Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Trade Signals Daily. My name's Nate. I'm going to be your host for the day. It's December 13th, 2024. I'm going to be sharing some charts of the S&P 500 futures contract and give you a little update on where I think the market's going and where I think the edge is. So, if you got 5 minutes, go ahead and settle in. So here we have the S&P 500. It's going to be coming into the last hour and a half of the day. Had a nice trade earlier after a break of yesterday's Globex low, or last night's Globex low. Anyhow, a nice move down off a gap up, broke through resistance and retested it. I had a double channel line here with 50 XMA, and yeah, so awesome little trade. Took a couple quick profits and tried to run the rest out by moving my stop down above the swing highs. This key level here in the 66,040 did hold support, and we are reversing off there. So it's not a surprise. We've been in a bull market, and things are still bullish, and we're actually expecting more bullishness towards into the end of the month. So this is probably the low put in, or it's going to be a key level at least going in for the rest of the month. So all things normal, though, this should be the low. This should hold, and we should definitely make another attempt at the highs, and if not new highs, probably closing on or near the highs end of the month, end of the year. So yeah, that's my longer term view. So for tonight, or for the rest of the day, I would like to see us get above this key level here. As you can see, we have a little minor double bottom here. We are turning up. RSI is up. MACD is up. Things are looking pretty good. Average true range is going down. It's all signs of good markets, or positive attributes for the market. As you can see, we had some good volume here on this bar around 130, and we continued to go up. We had some sellers come in here, couldn't turn, and so now we're just gradually moving up. Not a lot of volume. Is getting towards the end of the day, and we do have a light volume, so we could see some spike moves, running stops. I would definitely expect this high to get taken out. So 60.60, you can see 58.50 now. Probably gonna run those stops, and could see a quick washout and come back down here. If this lows don't hold, I would expect Monday to be the lows. We have a full moon Sunday, and I don't know if you know much about the full moon cycle. The moon cycle, markets do tend to make lows on or around the full moon, and highs around the new moon. So full moon is this Sunday, and we'll have to see how that goes. But anyways, this is just an update for the afternoon. What I'd expect, at least to move above here, and you can see that's where we're at now. It's going to be a good resistance, so I wouldn't be wanting to go long unless it was just a quick scalp, and the risk reward's not too good here. So if we do want to get long, I'd want to see this get above here. Probably at least say average true range around 2.5. Probably a good 5 points above here, so say 66, and then I would expect to move at least to the 30-minute zone we formed this morning. That's the opening range, and that's 73. So it's about 7 points from 66. But again, I typically like to buy a pullback. But if you have any systems, this is something to consider taking a systems trade. whatever you use, whatever shorter time frame trade you like to make. That's if you're a day trader. If not, you know, swing trader could actually take a swing trade long and have their stop down below here. That's you could check the Spider ETF, that's SPY, and it's going to be same chart, different values on the value to it, but you just do the same risk reward, and definitely have, like I said, probably at least get up here within the next couple of weeks, probably next week I would expect. And this level should be good support. So that's just a couple ideas for you, and like I said, we are bullish through the end of the year, and this is likely the low for this pullback. And it wasn't much of a pullback, but the strength is still here, and I know this is just a 3-minute chart, but I use a lot of other charts, so this is just a zoomed in version of a bigger pullback, and I can kind of zoom out here. So we've had maybe 6,100 to 6040, so that's about 1% pullback, not much from there. As you can see, I guess from the all-time high we just made, not much difference. So 1%, and yeah, we are coming off a double top, but I think that's about over. Could say we're in a range, and we have two highs here, and this is also, if it does here, probably will reject at the top, but that's all. That could be a good profit taking area up here, and then I would get back long again down here. So say you get long here, say you get long 66, take some profits at 86 and trail your stop. Say you get stopped out, we still want to be long towards the end of the year. I wouldn't recommend going short, but if we do get a move back down to, say, this area, the 55, 50, 40, I would take another long shot and play that trading range that we could be forming here, so towards the end of the year. Anyway, so that's my update, and anyways, it was really nice to talk to you guys today, and I hope you like the channel. Stick around, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated. Soon I have a newsletter out, and be doing more training for you guys. So hope it helps, and hope you learned something. And shoot me a like and a question if you got one, or any comments. Just getting into the YouTube channels, and I already can tell it's going to be a fun challenge. So, but hey, it is what it is, and look forward to it. Look forward to giving back to the community, and I know how hard it is. So, anyways, you guys have a great evening, and we'll be in touch soon. All right, see you guys.